Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this Photoshop tutorial, I will explain how to use the Puppet Warp tool. Here are some possible results. Attributions and links of images are located in my video description. Enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. The first step is to open the image that we will use as the background. To do this, use the File menu and the Open command. In the same way, we open the image to be processed that represents a boxer. Now, I will cut out the boxer. To do this, head over and select the Quick Selection tool. Carefully select the entire boxer. Hold Option, Alt or use this minus icon to subtract from selection. Once you're done, head up to Select and Mask. I will use the Overlay view. Now, I'm going to click on the Refine Edge Brush tool and simply click and drag around the edges, to let Photoshop make a selection around those difficult to select part. Use the Brush tool to adjust selection mistakes. Make sure that this plus icon is selected. Choose Output to Selection, then hit OK. I conducted detailed tutorials on these techniques, which you can refer to in my previous videos. To place the boxer into our main background, make sure you move tool is active by pressing V on your keyboard and dragging the design onto the tab of the photo. Without releasing your mouse, drag it down and release. To adjust its size and position, open your Transform tool by pressing Ctrl or CMD plus T. Let's start with the Magic Puppet Warp. Select the top layer that represents the boxer. Go to Edit and Puppet Warp. I click on Show Mesh to show you how Puppet Warp analyzes the image by breaking it down into small triangles. You can increase the number of triangles by choosing more points from density. I'll make the expansion 0 to make the mesh hug the shape we're going to warp. Let's click off Show Mesh, so we can better see the boxer under it. As you can see, one point does not reflect the purpose of using the Puppet Warp. To delete a pin, press Alt or Option plus click on Pin or use your mouse. Let's try 2 points. The pins act as anchors or hinges. Click on a point to make it active. Look at the effect of the rotation around the active point and the deformation. If you bring your cursor to an anchor point and press and hold Alt or Option, you'll see a circle outline surrounding the point. If you rotate the circle, your shape will also rotate centered around that anchor point. Use these two icons to adjust the pen depth. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe in my channel.